Welcome to the Enterprise AI Minute, your journey into the real-world AI future. This episode is brought to you by Cloud Wars Expo, running June 28th through 30th at Moscone Center in San Francisco, California. Now, I'll be there leading tracks and sessions alongside Bob Evans, founder of Cloud Wars, and the rest of my acceleration economy analyst colleagues. For more details, go to cloudwarsexpo.com.
Join thousands of CXOs June 28th to 30th in San Francisco, California at Cloud Wars Expo as we explore a new metric called the time to dazzle, exclusively focused on how long it takes to dazzle customers with new business models that are enabled by the cloud, empowered by AI, and optimized with human ingenuity. Register today at cloudwarsexpo.com and join a movement to make dazzling customers the metric that matters.
Now, prosthetics have come a long way since their inception, and many people around the world rely on prosthetics for daily activities, while others have taken them to these awesome extremes in, say, feats of athleticism. Now, the next evolution of prosthetics is quite promising here as they're bringing AI into the mix. And several people from the University of Minnesota have found a way to do this using an AI decoder of sorts that learns the user's intentions based on nerve signals that it senses in the arm. Now, according to the team, they are presenting a neuroprosthetic system to demonstrate that principle by employing an AI agent to translate the user's movement intent. Now, the goal here is to have these interfaces to enable intuitive prosthesis control purely by thought. Human to computer connection. I seem to have covered that before. And to achieve a natural user experience. Now, the results here are quite remarkable with the degree of dexterity that they're achieving here. The tests that they've conducted, the subjects have successfully achieved an action of 99.2% of the time with a median reaction time of 0.81 seconds. That's amazing. Now, the next iteration of this that is currently being developed is a tactile interaction. Now, this is where the prosthetic wearer can actually feel what they are touching or holding. Now, the intent here is to have a complete closed-loop human-machine bidirectional communication, according to the research team. Now, what I'm excited about is the natural evolution of this technology to really help people around the world. However, there are already downsides being touted by some as this can turn into a human enhancing technology. And I'm sure we've seen many variations in sci-fi versions of this in movies, but the reality here is this could create an unfairness in many areas such as athletics, work performance, and much more. Yes, this is another area that should have a decentralized governance model in place to ensure the technology is used to better humans in a real positive way. Now, why? Because remember, the future of AI depends on what we do now. So stay real, stay you.